This lesson will show you how to define an alignment, a vital feature in the calculation of profiles. We will begin with our MDT-top actual drawing and its surface, and a new drawing called volume polyline, containing a polyline that is going to be our reference alignment for the volume cross-section, as well as a list of its definitions. Most of the tools for the definition and processing of alignment are featured in the MDT, Alignments, and MDT Elements drop-down menu, included in the Professional MDT module, as it is a principal feature defining a linear project. We can create an alignment using the following methods: MDT, Alignments, convert polyline to alignments. By selecting a polyline graphically, taking into account that, according to how we designate its closest end, regarded as the origin of our alignment. In other words, Station 0. We will be asked to name the alignment, an initial station, 0 by default, a speed for our project, and the category of our linear works, in addition to whether or not we wish to export it and delimit it straight away. Once exported, the different possibilities we have to graphically represent the geometry of our alignment will appear. We can establish an interval for short tabs, an interval for long tabs, and we can have singular points labeled and our texts inverted vertically, in addition to defining a text viewing scale. The next method for defining an alignment is using the MDT, Alignments, Draw Alignment command. We can do this either by designating the data on the screen as if calibrating, or by inserting the values in the following window, taking into account that the positive or negative direction of the straight lines and arcs will depend on positive being on the right and negative on the left. Once our alignment has been completed, we will once again be given the option of exporting and delimiting our alignment file. The third method for defining an alignment is using the MDT, Alignments, Alignments Input command. Zooming in on the values of the station list, not included in the drawing, selecting our alignment and the name of the new file, and a new window will appear. All we need to define this window is the name of the station and each component, their X and Y coordinates, azimuth, radius, parameter, and length. As we can see, both the alignments and the rest of the tools feature a series of commands to help us avoid reviewing or correcting our alignment. A final option for converting our alignments is through the conversion of known formats.